So, hi everybody. Today I'm gonna show something I found on Academy.io. It's a homemade space invaders, you see, with a homemade LED matrix, yeah, and with a potentiometer. You can make the player move. You can shoot with the button. So it is absolutely the same process I found on the internet on the academy.io. I only changed one thing for the controls. I used a 100 kilo potentiometers instead of the 10 kilos it was said on the website because it was too sensitive, and when I was moving the player it was not very accurate. We do not see it very well because yeah, you see it moves, and yeah, it's the absolutely the same project. So I will share the link because I think it is a very cool project, and I will try to put this in a better shape. I think I'm gonna put it on a PCB so that I can release the breadboard. So you see why there is no short circuit here. Why? Just because I used copper from you know a transformator. So I will just show you a sample of the copper wire I am using right now. So you see this comes from an old transformator which has died. It was trash. So again, always search for trash. So you see in continuity mode, yeah, there is no continuity there because I I took the measure from the wire, from the part with the coating is still there, but I have with abrasive paper like this, I have scratched the extremities of the wire, and I will show you next what happens. Okay, so then you see I have changed the position of my multimeter. I will now switch into continuity mode and see we have perfect continuity. It makes the noise and we have the indication there that we are good for the continuity. So it's a good trick, a good life hack to search the trash. Always search the trash. You find good things in the trash, yeah, mostly. So yeah, yes, finally this is what I came through this, yeah. So you see, while you press the push button, you fire, yeah, okay, and you can move with this one, the potentiometer, yeah. Maybe I tried to take a move. Oh no, I was too slow. Yeah, there is only 3 levels, but you can maybe improve the code. Yeah, so you see, oh, I was shot again. So yeah, so you see the wires, they touch each other, but it, yeah, shoot, 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 yeah, shoot, shoot, shoot. Oh no, you see, and when you are hit by a dot, then you die. So if I shoot, yeah, it works. And oh, okay. So here is the other side. So you see the wires that touch each other, but as long as you did not remove the coating, they are insulated from one another. So all this on one PCB, yeah. Yeah, and for this I am very happy too. Uh, I want, oh, maybe I could try in the dark to see what it looks like. Of course, the link for the tutorial of this is in the description. You will also find the code, which is quite strong code. It takes a lot of memory from the Arduino Nano, almost, oh yeah, 77%, so it is quite a lot. I will turn off the lights to see how it looks in the dark. Okay, so this is what it looks like in the dark. So you see, you shoot with this button, you can move with the potentiometer. Yeah. Oh, yeah. This is the first level. Yeah. Maybe I will hit. Yeah. Oh, avoid. Yeah. Avoid and shoot. Avoiding. Yeah. No. Yeah. Almost done with. Now I'm dead. Yeah. So you see, this is a very nice project from acadei.io, and I will provide the link in the description. And yeah, you see in this tutorial you see how I decided to use these wires, insulated wires, because they are a very good way to understand electronics too. So yeah, I hope you will also make one. We can shoot. Yeah. Shoot. Killed again. And for this, yeah, I am very happy.